Hi friends, here's some fun crafts with bears. Here's one that looks kind of like a teddy bear, or what kind of bear will you make with this? Here's one that you can build a teddy bear. And here's one that is a polar bear, because we're talking about Arctic animals. So what kind of bears can you make? They're on different color paper, while these two are white. How can you make your bears? Can you use some shaving cream on this bear? What about this bear? Can you sponge paint a color on here? Can you use markers on one of these? What is your idea? What is your imagination telling you about these bears? You can cut these pieces out or have help cutting it out to make a bear. You can make them fluffy, you can make them flat, you can use crumpled paper, you can use shredded paper, you can use markers, paint, popsicle sticks, anything you can think of. What are you going to use? Have fun with it. Bye, friends.